Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text left and right in the same line in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we click blank document to create a new document. Now we write something in this document. Then we go to the insert menu, click text box and create a text box. Write something in this text box. Then we click shape outline and select no outline. Then we click warp text and select in front of text. Then we move to the text box right. Now we see aligned left and right very easily. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.